Hey, it's Sam Packer here. Welcome to this page for ProStyler. Now, I'm getting this out a bit late today. I wanted to make sure that I had the chance to review this product before sending out an email to you. So I did have an email written. I haven't had a video prepared, but I decided, nope, I'll wait until I've actually shown you this, because from what I've seen of ProStyler and the emails that I've got from people and also customers of mine really interested in it, is that it's the theme that can really help you build any type of website, sales page, opt-in form. Now, these types of pages are really important in our business. You know this because I've told you probably a number of times since you've been on my subscriber list that it is really important, because this, if you can get a site builder that's really good, it can save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it looks great. It actually looks better than sometimes a designer can do. We've got a launch coming out on the 3rd of March for CTA Bar, it's called, and that particular piece of software, you'll actually see it down the page, that's a software that we've actually built on one of these site builders. So ProStyler, I was very curious, and it looked really good from the onset. It does everything the other site builders that I've seen out there can do, and it's offering it at an even better price of just $37 on early bird, and then increasing from there. I believe it's a 10% discount for early bird. I need to get confirmation on that, but that's my early, what I can find early. So it has powerful sliders, it's very responsive with mobile, iPad, different colors, custom backgrounds, and everything else. So after seeing this, I prepared a bonus package down below that suits this offer. I got some of the bonuses that were on offer with this product, and I've also added in some of my own as well. And check back to my bonus pages, because sometimes I do tend to add more bonuses, and in this case, I like the software, and I'm going to add in some more bonuses, and you may see them being added down below. So you can do all these cool effects with it. You can create any types of pages. I installed it on my website after going into the members area and checking it out for myself. And it is right here. So you can see here ProStyler. Now there's two components as far as I can see from what I've seen so far. There's this first overall settings component, and it's a WordPress theme, so it works on everything. It needs to be installed on WordPress. You start off with your general settings, so you can adjust your logo, you can change your logo, your email address, Facebook URL, Twitter URL. These are the types of standard things that are going to be added throughout your pages, so this is going to save you a lot of time. Then it's got the themes. Now there's a number of different themes that can be developed. You don't need to use these, but it can help you with your pages to start with a backbone, if that makes sense. So it allows you to basically start with a backbone, and we can choose this template if we want to build off this template, and our pages will be styled off that template. We can then, after that, we've saved that, go to color schemes. We can adjust our color, find the most recent and popular colors, theme colors, box layout, backgrounds, all of that, contact forms, and everything else, header, footer, get all the different settings that you would need in order to make sure that overall, you had everything there. And look how many fonts are available as well. Content settings, so you can adjust this, whether you want breadcrumbs, whether you don't want breadcrumbs. Everything else is available here. So let's just go to a page. Let's just set up a page with this software so I can show you this in action. Now, I'm using a blog for an example right now. I haven't actually seen how this blog looks outside of the blog itself. I kind of got rid of one of my other themes and installed this immediately to test it out. So let's just try this ProStyler page. Now, first of all, look at this. We can add a row. Now, this row can have two separate options. So say if I was building a sales page, I could put a sales video here. If I was then underneath that having 4 different benefits, I can then add 4 different segments underneath that row. It's really easy as well. It's actually easier than many of the site builders I've built before with, because you just click a button and then it's there. You could have, if you wanted, say, a video and a video here and then bullets, you can do that. Then from there, you can choose what you want at the top. Now, you'll see often you don't need any more countdowns because you'll have CTA bar hopefully from the 3rd of March. But let's just say that we're putting a countdown timer on this particular page. We click countdown. If we wanted to put the countdown right up the top so no one missed it, we click on that. It shows us a preview of our countdown timer here, and we can adjust our date to fit. We can also add a title if we wanted to, or we can save, and that timer is now added to our theme. Now when we save and publish our page, that timer is going to be at the top. Let's add some benefits. Let's add some benefits. Where are some benefits? Call to actions, that's not what we want. We want some benefits. Now the usual way that I do my benefits is with images. So I'd usually have an image of some sort. So there we are. We'll have an image. Now that image we can select whatever we want. Alright, we can actually just grab an image from our current WordPress files. We can upload an image if we want to, clicking upload files. I'm just going to add this as if I was selling a protein shake in the sense of time. So we can add our image here, and then it'll show up as an image. Now you want to make sure you name your images so you know which images are where and what else is where. Let me add another image here, and this is how we would set up, a site like this where we were building different components onto it. So styling, we could style it as we want as well. I've got into a lot of the overall page settings. I haven't really had a chance to dig deeper in here. I know that on this you can actually do HTML5 settings. So say for example, I believe if I refresh this, you'll actually see that I can add HTML5 settings as part of this as well. Cool, let's just say that we wanted to add a buy button now. We could go into button and it will allow us to add a buy button. And I'm just showing you the basics. You can add images, you can add titles, all of this is available. Now for this particular setting you need to have a button URL. So I'm gonna go and grab just the button that they're doing standard right now, but you can add custom buttons if you want. Alright, so that's just something that you should know as well. We'll click save and our button is inserted. Now I'm going to leave it there because I think I've shown you the types of things that you can do with this. You can then set a background, a custom background color if you want, or you could do that for the entire site or only one particular section. Then we click publish. And let's have a look how this looks. Now this is obviously a really basic and basic example that I'm showing you here today, but you'll be able to build blogs, you'll be able to build sales pages, opt-in pages. Okay, so here we are. I've just done, as I said, a really basic example here. My button is there, I need to center it, but here is the images, here's the timer, here's the menu, and I can click here if I want to add a menu to ProStyler now. I've successfully created my first page, even though really basic, on my website. This is fully customizable. I've just shown you just a tip of the iceberg on what's possible. Anything that you want to do, from sales pages to blogs to actually full websites, you can do with ProStyler, and it's a very simple interface. Now before I go, I wanted to show you the members area. This is the members area right here. It gives you everything you need. You'll go in there, you'll learn about ProStyler, you'll learn about the creators, you'll be able to go through, add your license. There's a ton of training. I haven't even had the chance to really go through much of the training yet, but it'll go through everything you need to know to create really compelling looking websites. I really like this tool, and because of that, and because of the price as being so low as well, I think this is really great value, and I'll be adding more bonuses down below as this promotion goes on. So make sure you check back to your thank you bonus page and also the bonuses down here, and as always, I'll have prepared a really good bonus package that's congruent, that's going to help you make more money with this system. So thank you for listening. The details are down below, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. This is Sam Backer, and I'll see you later.